This is highly alarming because this is one of the tenets of the Constitution. So the fact that this administration wants to prevent certain people, and by certain people, let's all be real and clear about who they're talking about, black and brown people, not white people. We're talking about black and brown people. They want to be able to have a say over who from those groups gets to be a citizen and who from those groups does not get to be a citizen. So this is very serious and very drastic. When this case was argued before the Supreme Court, I remember a whole host of lawyers and reporters and political pundits saying there was no way the Supreme Court was going to side with the administration. But on June 27th, that is exactly what they did. And it was straight down ideological lines. The 6 conservatives voted in favor of the decision, and the 3 liberals, Justice Kagan, Justice Sotomayor, and Justice Brown Jackson, voted against this case. Justice Sotomayor and Justice Brown Jackson both wrote scathing dissents of this decision and laid out very clearly and very plainly what this can lead to. So let's look at the language of the 14th Amendment so we're all on the same page. The 14th Amendment defines citizenship, guarantees due process and equal protection under law to all citizens, including formerly enslaved people. So that is what the 14th Amendment says, and that is what it does. So if we, as a country, allow the 14th Amendment to be fundamentally changed, America itself will be fundamentally changed. The piece about due process and equal protection under law, that is huge. That talks about things like if you are arrested for a crime and you don't have money to hire a lawyer, due process says you must be issued a public defender, a lawyer who works for the state you live in, or the county or the city, depending how your state is set up. You must be given access to a lawyer who will fight for you, regardless of whether you have money or not. If we change the 14th Amendment, that piece will definitely be changed.